Hello traders, this is Chinnati from the ChinnatiForex.com. Let's talk about leverage. As we discussed in the previous tutorial, in order to buy or sell 1 lots of euro dollar, you need 123,228 American dollars on your account, which is a lot of money. But even in order to trade with 0.1 lots, you need 12,000 American dollars. And in order to conduct a small transaction in 0.01 micro lots, you still need $1,200 in your account, which is again a lot of money. And what happens if we can't afford to have an account of that size, or we are practicing and we don't want to invest that much of money in the forex market? How do we trade then? Well, this is where the leverage comes into play. Because of leverage has a lot of negative feeling around it, people kind of think that it's bad for your trading, which is completely not true. And in this and in the next tutorial, we will disprove those fears. So what happens with leverage is that your broker will actually lend you money in order to help you conduct transactions on the forex market. So in this picture, your money is on the right and the money the broker lends you on the left. So let's have a look at a particular example. For instance, your balance is $500 and you want to conduct a transaction with the volume of 0.1 lots on the euro dollar currency pair. So you require 12,322 American dollars to conduct this transaction. Obviously your balance is insufficient at this point, but with leverage, if your leverage is 1 to 100, then your broker will only require you to have 1% of that money and the broker will lend you 99% of the required amount. So in this case, your broker will lend you $12,199. So you are borrowing 99% of this required amount. All you have to invest is $123 of your own money. So that is 1% of the transaction and it is much more affordable with your balance of $500. And in this case, you can now conduct this transaction and trade in the forex market, either buying or selling of the euro dollar. So that's how the leverage works. But why would the broker do this? Why would the broker lend you money? Well, we will find about that when we talk about equity and margin. Any questions and feedback, let me know in the comment section below and I'm glad to help. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.